shoes.
Look, she's got her little legs crossed. Jasmine, those are dirty. Yeah, it's probably got dog poop on them. Yeah.
I don't in this.
No, on this side, down there. There's probably dog poop in there. Don't put them in your mouth. That's gross. Yeah. Looks like you've been chewing on the end of it anyway. Did you chew on that? Goofy. You chewed on this one too. Mimi didn't buy them for you to eat them. And I just cleaned them and they're filthy again. Yes.
I'm crying again.
What? She'll growl at you.
My shoes though.
Well, you just hit her. Be careful. You don't need them on yet. We'll put them on when Mommy gets here. Are you getting tired? You look like you're tired.
I can put on.
That's the wrong foot, baby. There you go. Good job. Your pinky toe didn't want to go in, did it? No, baby. This foot. There you go.
This foot.
Mm-hmm.
This foot. And it got blue food on him.
No, it's okay.
No, the blue poop.
There's no poop on it. Just don't put it in your mouth.
Yucky.
Yeah, that's yucky. And keep your feet off of her tail.
Look,
I see. What did you do?
I ate it.
You itched it?
Yeah.
Yeah, do it again. Climb up here all the way. There you go. Now sit down. Now. All
Can
right.
I see?